Did you know that an air conditioner can consume up to 60% of your home's power? That can add up to a lot of wasted money per month. ECM can solve that problem by tuning up your air conditioner. This way your AC will be running at peak efficiency and prevent costly repairs, which will keep your annual savings rolling in. Unlike other AC companies, East Coast Mechanical takes the time to do a thorough tune-up, which includes many different types of services, such as inspect the condenser coil, rinse the condenser coil in place, inspect the evaporator coil, brush the evaporator coil in place, check the Freon levels, flush the drain lines, rinse the drain pan, install anti-algae tablets, clean filter, check and calibrate the thermostat, lubricate the fan motors, check the relays, check the contactors, check the electrical wiring, check the compressor for efficiency, check the air temperature differential, check the heating functions, inspect the air duct condition, duct spraying with deodorizer, measure the power consumption, and finally check the safety controls. That will add up to a lot of savings per month. With an ECM coupon, you can get our 21-point tune-up for $79.95, normally $129.99. Keep in mind that after a tune-up is done, the increased efficiency will save you money on your electric bill and pay for itself typically within 3 months. Call ECM today to schedule your tune-up. The phone number is 561-585-9850.